Hello there. In today's digital age, sensitive data powers your business, but it's also a hidden risk. How do you find and protect it? Introducing Sensitive Data Discovery from Mage Data, a patented solution for uncovering sensitive data with precision. Mage Data's cutting-edge technology identifies sensitive data across all enterprise data platforms, from on-prem to cloud, from mainframes to SaaS. Mage Data Discovery scans structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, powered by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and natural language processing. Mage Data Discovery identifies over 80 data classifications out of the box, from personally identifiable information (PII), protected health information (PHI), to non-public information (NPI), with minimal false positives. Let's have a look at Dan, our data classification engineer. He logs into Mage Data to ensure all sensitive data are discovered and protected. Mage Data automatically identifies all sensitive data and the locations in the database, using dictionary, pattern matching, data validation, proximity matching, and AI with natural language processing. Dan will simply need to select the database and the data source to view the discovery results. The details of the discovery are also accessible through a Discovery Deep Dive, where all sensitive information will be listed. If available, Dan can also plug to the discovery his company-owned AI model. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.